Students, let us continue with the loop control statements. So in the previous video, I explained about the for loop. Now let us see the while loop. So let me write the syntax for the while loop. So first in the while loop, it checks the condition. If the condition is satisfied, it enters the body of the loop and close the body of the loop. Only simple. Here you don't have in the while you don't have the three parts, that is the initialization, condition and increment. So here only the condition is checked. When the condition is satisfied, it executes the body of the loop number of times. So here initialization should be done before the loop. So before the loop only you have to be initialized. That should be remembered. And loop continues as long as condition is true. So as long as condition is true, the loop is executing repeatedly. Whenever the condition is false, it exits the while loop and continue with the remaining steps of the program. And here the increment or decrement part is done within the loop only. So in the previous for loop, you have seen these three: initialization, condition, this initialization, condition and the increment, decrement, everything will be present within the for loop only. So within the for loop you are having these three parts. So whereas in the while, the initialization should be done before the while loop, and condition is satisfied, checking here, and within the body loop you are having the increment and decrement parts. Okay, let me write the flowchart for this while loop. So first, what I said, initialization should be done before the loop. So first you have to write the declare the initialization. You have to assign the value to that variable. Now you have to check the condition. Is expression is true or not? Suppose if the expression is true, suppose if the expression is true, it executes the body of the loop. After that, what it does, it increment or decrement the value, the variable, it increment or decrement the value and continues the loop until the condition is false. Suppose if the condition is false, it exits the while loop and continue with the remaining parts of the program. Now let us see the program for this. The program for while loop. So first hash include stdio.h. Now writing the main program, main, declaring the value int k. Now first what I said for while loop, first you have to initialize the value for the variable. K is equal to 1, initialization. Now check the condition. While k is less than or equal to 5, then it enter into the loop printf %ld, comma k. Now you have to increment the value. You have first it is 1, after that it is incremented to 2, like that. Close the while loop, close the main program. Then what will be the output here? So for I am taking the same variable and the same value k less than or equal to 5 for each program, for loop, while loop, do while loop. Then you will understand how everything will get the same answer. So here k less than or equal to 5. First it checks 1 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, it is less than or equal to 5. So it prints the k value 1 and increment the k value to 2. K plus plus means it becomes 2. Now it is check, again goes to the while loop. Now it checks 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes, 2 is less than or equal to 5. Enter into the while loop and prints the k value as 2. Now it increments k plus plus means now 3. Again go back. It's check 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes, it is true. It enter into the while loop and print k is 3. Again k plus plus. Now it becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Okay, it's correct. It is true. Now it prints the 4. K plus plus equal to now 5. So it's check whether K5 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, it is equal to 5 only. It prints K value 5. Now it increments K plus plus is equal to 6. Now it is checking 6 is less than or equal to 5. No, this is false. So that it exit from the while loop and exit the main program. So this will be the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is about the while loop. Thank you.